Sweet. Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you go any further into this video. So in today's video, we will be doing what is known as sugaring, and those who doesn't know what sugaring is, it is a type of hair removal which is said to be less irritable to the skin and causes less skin breakage. So today's wax kit, which is a home wax kit, is provided from Orchid's Organic Wax. You can find them on Instagram. So this is a self wax kit, which means that you can do your own waxing at home in your own comfort. So if you go on their Instagram page, you will find different information. You'll see different tutorials, and also when you order from them, they will send you a tutorial as to how to apply the wax and all of those things, so that when you're at home you know what you are doing. And you'll find tips on their page as well, so that you are not confused when you're doing your waxing. So you have tips before waxing, how to prep your skin, and etc etc. You have tips during waxing, that's things to do while you are applying the sugar, and you also have tips after waxing. So on their page is just a lot of information so that you know what you are doing, and you can just scroll through and look for all that you want. You have testimonials from persons showing the wax when they use it and how much hair it removes, and etc etc. And waxing also tends to last longer than shaving, so it's that beneficial as well. So in this cute package, let's just take a moment to appreciate the packaging on this. It is so cute, and once you have a cute package, you are guaranteed to at least have some form of sale, because this package was just too cute. And the inside, you'll find all the tools that you will need, including the sugar wax that you're going to use to do your waxing. Everything in there is just cute. And the signature color is lavender, which is orchid as well. So you'll have the sugar container, and on it you will find the ingredients as well as how to prep the paste before you apply it to your skin. You will also find in the package that you will have your stick that you'll use to apply the sugar to your skin, as well as you will have some wax strips. I think it's about 10 wax strips that I got in this, 8 to 10 wax strips, so it is enough to do your waxing. Right. So to start off, I think the instruction says that I should use a clarifying toner to clean the skin first, and then follow up with some baby powder. Okay. Here, yeah, no? Yeah, no. When are you wax? No. So that clean the skin. Yeah, just be. Yeah, but this is gonna get rid of any residue thingy. Yeah, see if you need be good. This was a bad idea. This was a bad idea. Not too much. Just unclear some yeah. Sorry, too much. You should leave a linear border. This means anyway, I feel look which direction the hair grow, and then you have to apply it in the opposite direction. What? Look which direction the hair go. The hair come from up. No, which direction it grow. If it goes so, or if it goes So whichever way it go, you apply the paste in the opposite direction. Let's see if it hot.
This one. We're not gonna lick the wax.
It's hot.
So you're not gonna lick the wax.
Reflex.
So you want to wax your tongue.
That would have had to. Then we're the wax strips. So after we put on the wax, we put this over it and then pull it in the direction where the ear grows. So the wax go in the opposite direction. The strip you pull it in the opposite direction.
That's it, huh?
It hurts.
So that can't go for your skin. Come for the fun, you know.
Yeah, idiot.
Come on, cable.
Yeah, idiot. Move.
Come on, cable. Open up for the church. Oh my God.
No. Yeah, put the other way up now.
Hmm?
My God. My God. This happens if it just mold it 2 or 3 times.
You never tell me.
Same direction.
That's 2. That's 3. You never tell me all that. What's this one?
Alright, can we try this first though?
That's it.
That's for what?
Then suppose after you do this now, right?
Mm-hmm.
You realize you can't manage wax. What you do?
The part, if it just stay like one patch there.
Yeah, no, use razor.
Eh?
Use razor.
I have cream.
It in here.
Mm.
Let's put it back.
Put it here. Rub it in the direction where the ear actually go. Mm-hmm.
I made right after.
You never want to do this.
No, I'm going to do my one.
Wait a minute.
No, do it. I'm doing it.
Wait, drag it out. No. If childbirth is this painful like this, we're up.
Listen, just go to the tree. Ready?
Wait. Wait.
Which one for Jai, sir?
Yeah, in that direction with the ear go.
Ready? 3. Lego my hand, no? 3.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It working?
Say the most way.
But yeah, the results are real.
Yo, that's smooth.
Yeah, enjoy this.
Am I?
Yeah. Smooth as hot.
What does
Do 3 times.
Nobody can play hero. Then you put the
people do this straight.
I like it.
Wait, do they
Me now wait.
do they wait there?
3, 2. No, G. That they are going there.
Yeah. And from the root, you take it out another side, so add.
Come on. Next side of your foot. I'm about to your foot now.
And whenever the paste starts to hard up back, just put it back in the microwave.
So I say people never gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna put this here in a bit.
You have people that actually go places, go wax, not supposed to want their own self wax skin.
No, I'm not like myself. Then me could have piece man if you make me have to skill the face. No, brother, you're mad. I never do need to have that. No, brother. And me can guarantee you, so vaccine not cheap. Vaccine costs more than a buck like near though.
Of course it must.
That me tell you show you. So you pay for pain.
Wait now. Jeez. I'm feeling I could drag it out serious. Ow! Jesus.
I know Jesus I wax.
Yeah, enjoy this way too much.
Then you want to punish yourself. You know what, I never do something like this. Put on.
Applicator.
No one that I English word put on.
Applicator.
Jamaica I come from the deep part of Jamaica, put on. This we should I use that play? You know fix it?
Yeah.
Your reaction.
And a bread. Jesus. Doing it, Jesus.
Yes, the seafood and do so.
You need to rub it down good.
And then you flick on okay? Is it?
Oh, yeah. Hey, but when you come out of snow, it after.
You know, a while ago, you know, when like bone broke. So me I look at it and say,
That's why I we use it too and to take it off.
Man can't enjoy myself. Never do that.
Ow. Look how much you're in this. Doing it? Jesus Christ. I'm more pain here, because of that witness.
Father God. That's the one that was the one I this I know me. See, that's the one that was the one. Be a man.
Be a bad man?
Be a man in this moment. What will your husband do?
Not have me do this.
Let him pay back. Let him pay Billy. If it was your husband in this position, what would he do? trick question. That's what we do.
Babe, I no bread.
Swan. Just got it. Swan. Babe, chill. Swan, you're gonna make it stick on the knife. You want the knife stick on for your skin?
Jesus.
Swan. Jesus. Babe.
Babe, don't.
No, babe. Just do.
Babe.
Just I want more strip.
Get.
I want more strip, babe.
Huh?
We can do this. This is one more strip.
Which part I want? Just yes, sir?
Yeah, I just want more strip. We can do it. We can do it, babe.
Just take your time.
Let's not. We won't. We're not quitters. And we don't give up.
True, you enjoy this.
No, even when the road gets rough, just remember. Wax by faith and not by fear. Jesus Christ, have you tried that for this night? No!
Then the email tells us sometimes they use a stick and take it down.
We just tried that for the night.
No, use this. Alright, go on. Jesus.
We did it. We did it. We did it. Woohoo! We did it.
That's the end of the waxing torture. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Perfect.